if you're dealing with tight hip internal rotation, so if you're in this position and it's really hard for you to get this knee down and this hip down lower, then this test becomes the exercise to help improve that internal rotation. So what we can do is just switch back and forth, bringing our knees down, trying to get our chest up as tall as we can, and then relax this hip to try to get this hip lower down towards the ground. And hold it for about 10 seconds, and then we're gonna switch towards the other side. We're just gonna switch back and forth about 10 times so we can get a good amount of time stretching into that hip. If this position is pretty easy for you, and you feel like you're getting your hip down pretty low, what you can do to increase the stretch or make it a little bit more difficult is you can put your hands on the ground and you can try to lift that back foot just a little bit, and that will help to engage your internal rotators and increase the stretch. Now be careful of cramping when you do that, so make sure that you're only doing that if you have pretty good range of motion. If your range of motion is really restrictive and you feel like this is really tight and really difficult, what you can do is grab a yoga block or a rolled up mat or some other kind of pad. You're gonna put that under your hip on the side that you are supported on. And then you're gonna drop both knees down to the side. And by propping up this hip, it allows me to be a little bit less stretched in this internally rotated hip, and it's gonna be a little bit more comfortable. That means that I can hold it for longer and get deeper into the stretch.